welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Hi kids, welcome back. Today we will learn big J or capital J. This is capital J. J for juice. J for juice. And we will learn how to make capital J with colorful beads. First of all, we will make a standing line, a straight standing line. We'll take blue color. J. J. We are making capital J. Now we'll take yellow color. Purple color. And light pink color. Now we will make a small sleeping line. J. J. So this is how capital J is formed. A straight line and a curve and small sleeping line. This is capital J. J for juice. J for juice. Tell me what comes after J? K. Right. Very good. So, in next video we will learn how to make K with colorful beads. Okay then, bye bye children.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.